I'm Deanne with WTI, and it's time to travel, and I'm ready with this carry-on suitcase by VERAGE. This is a hard shell suitcase. It has an expandable handle. All the handles are rubberized, so it's very comfortable to carry if you're using the handle. So there's one here, and there's one on the side over here. And also on this handle, there's a hook where you can just hang an umbrella. And I absolutely love this feature of this suitcase. It has a net that you can attach or detach. I love that I got a bright bumblebee color, so it will be easy to spot if I have to check it. This has a set of large wheels and a set of small wheels. This is to allow it to be more stable and to roll better. Here is your TSA lock. There is another zipper which allows this suitcase to expand by another 2 inches, a little more. This is the main compartment. Over here in the separate compartment, you have 2 mesh pockets here. What I like about this separate zipper compartment is on your way home, you can keep your dirty clothes in the main section over here, and then you can zip off your clean clothes. Another little feature I love on the suitcase is there is a little flap that you can put smaller items that you need to get to quickly. This is a beautiful, functional piece of luggage by VERAGE, and that's my point of view.